Hi guys, Jeff at Slavens Racing. This video is about a new line of skid plates that we've recently taken on, made by Motosports. They're designed and manufactured here in the US. It's a nice quality product. It's got really excellent hardware, mounting hardware. And this one's for my 2500. They're just making them for, I believe, the 17 and up models, the new style chassis. And I know it seems a little ridiculous to make a video on how to install such a simple product, but some guys are going to stumble with this and give us a call, and that's fine, but I'm trying to reduce those calls or emails. So the instructions are a little bit confusing because they combine the PDS models, the ones that don't have linkage, with the linkage models all in one instruction sheet. So right off the start, it's kind of confusing. I'm going to ask them to change that and see if they'll make separate instructions for linkage and PDS. But you really don't even need instructions for this thing. It comes with 4 bolts and 4 washers. The countersink type washers go down here, and it's got regular flathead washers that go up here in the frame. Now the XCFW models, the EXCF, and I believe the Husky FE and TE models, and also the XCW 2-stroke KTMs, all have these threaded mounting inserts in the frame here, which are intended for attaching skid plates, and it's a really solid way to do it, rather than have a bracket to go across. Nothing wrong with the brackets, but this is just simpler and cleaner. So it only comes with one bracket, just this back one. It's stainless steel, it's bent well, it's got nice hardware with it. And you just put it on and just, where it's really floppy, just have the bolts threaded part way in. And then this has to hook over this the back frame cross member that goes across here. And you stick that up in there. Now where guys are gonna stumble, I know we're gonna get calls on this. Guys are gonna go, it doesn't fit. Without me taking my head pipe off. Well, no. It's a piece of plastic, guys. It means it's flexible. So bend it. Just push it in. Bam, there you go. You got it. So just, it's really easy. Just bend it in and it works. And then from there, you start the bolts up here in the front. After you get those started, I would not tighten them down all the way until you snug up the back bracket. And so I would get that back bracket kind of, you can see it's going to shift forward when you tighten down that back bracket. It kind of makes it move forward when you do that. So snug up this back bracket, get your bolts in here, get them most of the way in, and go back here and tighten this the rest of the way, and then tighten these. And sorry, I don't have any torque specs, and I'm not going to torque it, I just tighten them. It's a 6mm bolt, so don't get carried away. You can twist them off. It's really all there is to it. I just wanted to show you that one part where you flex it and get it to pop in. And I know some of you guys that have been working on bikes for years are going to think, well, that's a no-brainer, but for some guys it's not. I mean, not everybody is a skilled mechanic or has much experience. A lot of guys are skilled at other things, like maybe they're a IT guy or a doctor or a lawyer or whatever, whatever their skill set is. Everybody has their own skill set. So not everybody's a motorcycle mechanic. And for those guys, they just need a little extra help. No big deal. So I just wanted to show you that one piece. Now you can see what it looks like on the bike. It's got good protection on both sides. It's easy to fit on. It's got a reasonable price point. The pricing's on our website, slavensracing.com. And like I said before, it's made in the USA, which to me is always a plus. So, and if you want to take it off for oil change, some guys do it that way. I don't, but I usually leave the skid plate on. But if you want to take it off, or maybe you've been riding a mud race, you want to take it off and clean out the muck, well, it's just 2 bolts here. Take those out, loosen up the back ones a little bit, and bam, it's off. I mean, you can have this thing off in 30 seconds. So, nice new product from an American manufacturer, reasonable price point. That's all for now.